Working as a law academic associate at the Melbourne Law School has been an incredibly rewarding experience. It's given me the chance to actively involve in the academic life of the Center of Indonesian Law, Islam and Society, CILIS. I've taken part in workshops, seminars and a range of events organized by CILIS and the law school, which has not only deepened my engagement with the academic community, but also broadened my perspective as a researcher. I really enjoy being part of the vibrant environment.
The most exciting and probably surprising that I discovered so far is probably getting behind the scene and like helping organize events and learning from like events that initiated by other members of the centers. Because like you think about Asia law, you think as it as a concept, but then when it's become institutionalized as a research center, it just has to expand to sort of cover everyone's interests and trying to bring everyone together and sort of doing the administrative tasks behind all these events and organizing different things just sort of like make me think a lot more about this sort of institutionalization of Asian law.
I think it was when I was tasked with creating a slideshow for the Asian Law Center 40th anniversary in June. So while going through the photos and videos, I learned about the history of the center, the founder and the long-standing members, what has been done for decades, all the achievements. So aside from that, I also learned how the center and the university has incorporated new technologies and new ways to reaching out to the broader public. So I do a lot of work related to website management, social media, and creating videos and podcasts. So I think that was really interesting and exciting about working at the center.
Yeah, my biggest goals with the CILIS or ALC lies at the two tasks that I'm currently completing, which are the Indonesian law fact sheet and the Asian Legal Voices podcast. So through this project, I'm trying to bring the society's day-to-day problems and experiences and place them within the Indonesian or Asian law conversations. And it is helpful to be here because my favorite thing about working with CILIS and ALC is that we have the space to converse with researchers and practitioners outside the Melbourne Law School and outside Australia and reshare it to the Asian law and Indonesian law community. So in the podcast, for example, we invite guests from other institutions within and outside Australia and not just lawyers and legal academics based here.